Hey guys, geek into everyone. Today on this video I'm gonna tell you about my 1 month Python course, and today is day number 15. So let's start. So we're gonna start with checking my plan. Okay, and today is week number 3 and day number 15. Okay, the topic is working with dates and times, understanding datetime objects and manipulating dates and times. So what I'm gonna do is copy this topic and open ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to provide the information about this topic with practical examples. Okay, remove this, day 15. Okay, and I add with examples. Okay, then I press enter, and we are waiting the reply from ChatGPT bot. ChatGPT bot is replying now, as you can see on the screen. Okay. Okay, here we go. ChatGPT finished. So, working with dates and times is a common task in programming, and understanding datetime objects and manipulating them effectively is crucial. In Python, the datetime module provides classes for working with dates and times, including the datetime class for combining date and time values. To get started, you need to import the datetime module. So you can do this on your Visual Studio Code, for example, like that. You can import this module, and it's a built-in module, so it's by default installed with your Python interpreter. So uh, creating a datetime object is done using the datetime class. Here's an example of creating a datetime object representing a specific day and time. Okay, here on the example, you can see that we create a DT object with a specific time. So creating datetime object for July 14, 2023, 9:30 a.m. Okay, by this code, and we print it out here on the terminal. So on the output, you see uh, this date. Okay, you can also create a datetime object representing the current date and time using the datetime now method. Okay, also so popular method, current datetime. So you can use this method now. Okay, on the output you see the current date and time. Once you have a datetime object, you can access its individual components like year, months, day, hour, minute, and second using the corresponding attributes. Okay, here you can see you can use like specifically what you want, like year, months, day, hour, minute, or second. To perform arithmetic operations on datetime object, you can use the time delta class. It represents a duration or difference between two datetime objects. So you can see an example here. There is an arithmetic operation with two dates, this one, this one. Okay, and you print on the screen a new this object, new date. Okay, the output is like that. Okay, also you can subtract two datetime objects to get the time difference. Yeah, and on this example, there is a calculating the time difference between two datetime objects, first one and second one. So on this object, there is a result of this calculation, and we print it out on the terminal. And on the terminal, you see this value. Datetime object also support comparison operations, allowing you to compare dates and times. Okay, you see on this example, there is a comparing datetime objects, first one, second one, and depends on, we have a if-else statement. So, and depends on this result, there is a printout, this string datetime is earlier than new datetime, or this string new datetime is earlier than datetime. I call datetime like DT, and it's I hope you understand it. And output, you see that datetime is earlier than new datetime, so it's this one. So that means this is true. Okay, these are just a few examples of how you can work with datetime objects and manipulate dates and times in Python. The datetime module provides many more methods and functionalities for working with dates and times. So be sure to refer to the official Python documentation for more information. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. So thanks for the watching. Ciao, ciao.